Let me show you my secret to always looking well rested. I always get compliments on my skin and youthful appearance. The secret is a flawless makeup base. In this short all you need to know review, I'm gonna swatch and review the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. When I first got this, I have to be honest, I was shocked about the consistency. I was thinking, no way this is not gonna crease and this is gonna look cakey and really bad. However, it is a trick to make this look good. You really have to use your fingers and get this product warm. I usually work up some warmth with it in my fingers first. Then I apply it under my eyes and it gives a subtle glow and brightening effect. It is almost like it smooths out any imperfections underneath your eyes. I think of it as a real-life filter. Don't use too much product because a little goes a long way, especially when it's warmed up. And make sure to moisturize your skin before applying. I am so glad I gave this product a chance.